Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra back with yet another video. So this video is actually going to be something different than I normally do. I want to do like a Q&A so you guys can get to know me. So first things first, shout out to this company. I'm going to put their information down below. They did send me this ring to do like a quick little intro, and it is rose gold. She is super pretty, and that's the reason why I got my nails done, because as you guys know, I'm a full-time hairstylist and it's damn near impossible for me to do my clients and have nails because I braid a lot and I shampoo a lot and nails just don't last on me. But honestly, if I didn't do hair, my nails would probably be this long. Like, I get a ton of messages, DMs, emails, and unfortunately I can't respond to everybody. It's just damn near impossible. So I wanted to come on here and just do a quick video so you guys can get to know me a little bit on a personal level. I'm going to try to answer the questions that have been asked the most. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm just looking at my phone and I'm going to go ahead and start answering my little questions, guys. First question everybody asked me, how old am I? I am 27 years old. My birthday is on September 23rd. I was born in 92, so yeah, I'm 27. I'll be 28 years old this year. Fun fact in there, the name of my salon is also called Studio 923. That's just my birthday. My zodiac sign, I'm a Libra. Libra gang all day. Y'all already know what it is. How many kids do I have? I have 3 little babies, or not anymore. So I have a 9-year-old son, I have a 7-year-old daughter, and I have a 3-year-old daughter. My 9-year-old, his name is Adrian. My 7-year-old, her name is Olivia, which you guys saw in the silk press video. And then my 3-year-old, her name is Ava. I am married. That's the only reason why I don't be caring about people's opinions, because I'm married. Honestly, the only person whose opinion really matters is my husband. Got married 10, 18, 14. So yeah, this will be our 6th year being married. I am a military wife. My husband's in the National Guard. He's been in the military since we've been together, even before then. We got together in 2013. This will be our 7th year together this year, and this will be our 6th year of being married. And I have already been through a deployment together. He was gone for 10 months, and that was honestly the time that I used to get myself together. I'm from Delaware. I'll say like Newcastle, Delaware, because that's where I was born and raised. My salon is actually in Bear, Delaware, which is about 10 minutes away from Newcastle, Delaware. And I actually live 45 minutes away from my salon, believe it or not. So I live in like slower Delaware. The question is, what's the furthest you have traveled? So the furthest I have traveled was, I would have to say, would be Hawaii. I went to Hawaii in 2010 when I was pregnant with my son. If you guys want to know a little bit more about me, just ask. I'll try to answer everything as best as I can, to the best of my ability. A little bit about me. I started my hair salon only after 11 months of doing hair, guys. So that's why when people tell you their opinions and they say what they think you can do and what you can't do, I don't listen to that, because people are going to talk regardless. You get what I'm saying? People are going to hate, people are going to talk, people are going to try to downplay what they think you can do, or based off of their experiences, they're going to try to tell you what you can and cannot do. I've always been a groundbreaker, and I've always been a person that believes in myself and what I can do, and I know what I'm capable of on the inside. So whether you believe in me or not, I'm gonna be successful, and that's just the mentality I went into it. A little bit of background about me. I was a teen mom, so I graduated high school at 17. I had my son Adrian at 18, a month after I turned 18 actually. So my birthday is September, his birthday's in October. The very next year, I found I was pregnant with his sister when he turned 1. I had her when I was 19. So at 19, I was a teen mom of 2 kids. I moved out of my parents' house right when I turned 20. My daughter was 2 months old at the time, and I've never moved back in. So yeah, what is something that you did before you did hair? So honestly, before I opened my salon and before I started doing hair, I worked at Mermaid, I waitress, I worked at Bob Evans, I worked at Wendy's. Your girl probably had at least, I think I counted 19 jobs by the time I was 19. Like, I just was in and out of jobs, didn't want to work for people. I would work somewhere, like it, not like the pay, not like the environment, not like the hours. It was always some element that I didn't like. So I just remember talking to my husband when he got home from deployment in 2014, and I was just like, yo, we just got married. And I remember I was working at this restaurant, and they wanted me to work Thanksgiving the same year that I got married. Now, we got married in October. Thanksgiving was in November. I requested off. They would not give me off, so I quit. And my husband was all for it. He's like, look, if you want to do hair, just go ahead and do it. And at the time, you know, anybody who does hair is in the beauty field, cosmetology field. You know that in the beginning it's kind of scary, because it's like, oh my god, am I going to be able to build up the clientele? People are going to come to me, people are going to pay what I want to charge, so on and so forth. But I was licensed. I got my cosmetology license when I was 19, so right after I had my son. Backpedaling a little bit because I'm all over the place, but right when I had my son, I took off for 6 months. I had purchased my first car, and then I decided, like, what next? So I decided to enroll in cosmetology school in 2011, and I got my license in 2012, and I've been licensed ever since. Did I ever want to be a salon owner? To be completely honest with you guys, I'm gonna say no. Only because my mom's best friend had a salon, and I saw her go from like nothing to having all this money and all this like the status of just being like the it girl, and then she moved to Atlanta, and then it just kind of went down from there. And now she's trying to build back up, and it's been years and years. She's not at the same place as she was before she left, but honestly, it just scared me to the point where I was like, oh my god, this is a lot of bills, this is a lot of responsibility. I'd rather come in, make $1,000 and leave, rather than, you know, making $1,000 having to pay bills, whatever the case may be. If I didn't do hair, what would I do? That's the next question. So if I didn't do hair, I actually would have an early childhood education career. So that being either home daycare, which my mom and my sister actually do right now, or I would work with like special education children. My grandparents both work in special needs children. My grandfather was a bus driver. God rest his soul, he passed away 2 years ago. But I've always been around people who worked with children in some way, shape, or form. So if I didn't do hair, I would be in early childhood education, because I love working with children. I just love helping young minds develop. And I love telling kids that they can be anything that they want to be, and just seeing them reach the stars. My daughters are fighting in the background. I do apologize. What is your favorite season? So I would have to say my favorite season is either spring or summer. I don't like the winter because I don't like to be cold, and I don't like to shovel snow or slip and fall. And I like the summer, but I don't like the summer when it's so hot that you can't do anything. So I would say spring to be on the safe side. What is my favorite food? So if y'all follow me on Instagram, which you need to do, you'll know my favorite food is crab legs. Like, I can literally eat crab legs 5 out of 7 days a week. If I could eat crabs every day for the rest of my life, I probably would. But as you guys know, crabs are expensive. So yeah, I don't. But I try to treat myself at least once or twice a week. There's a spot down the street from my salon, and I'll be tearing them crabs up. They're good. If you guys want to know a little bit about how I became like, how I went from being a teen mom of 2 to a successful business owner, I can do a story on that. People do want to know my story, and I do want to let you guys know that no matter what your situation or your circumstances, you can become something great. Don't let people tell you what you can and cannot do, and set goals for yourself and make sure you smash them. I literally keep 3 books with me. I have 2 planners, and I have like a positivity planner, and I also have something for like YouTube, Instagram, my salon. I'm very like anal when it comes to being like on a schedule and just setting goals and smashing them, because I feel like if you don't set goals, then you kind of just wake up with no purpose. At least if you set a goal, you can say, hey, I want to make this, or I want to do this, or I want to expand and do this. It'll kind of keep you on a steady pace, and that's the reason why I've been the way I've been. So I'm 27, and I'm going on my 5th year of owning my salon. Never had a salon before. Never thought I was going to open up a salon. Didn't even think I was going to have the money to open a salon. And I did it. Literally started doing hair. I quit my job November 2014. I started doing hair officially December 1st, 2014. I was paying booth rental. It was $100 a week, so it's $400 a month. And the regular booth rent was $800 a month. So I told my boss, like, look, it's December 1st. I'm telling her, look, give me 30 days. I'll be able to pay the $800 a month. She looked at me like I was batshit crazy. Like, girl, ain't nobody been in here that's been here that short of amount of time to just come in and smash it. So I already got people doubting me, and literally in 30 days, guys, I built up my clientele. But it wasn't no like social media shit. And to be completely honest, I'm super anti-social, so I'll be popping on like IG and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. But in real life, I literally just work and come straight home to my kids and my family, because that's just what I enjoy. For that 30 days, I literally went out. I handed out business cards. I was at like we have like a big Walmart here, a mall, big supermarkets. I was out there handing out cards like my life depended on it, because I had nothing to fall back on. Mind you, I quit my job right before Thanksgiving. So now the holidays are coming up, and I'm sitting here like, yo, what have I done? I kid you guys not. I started doing hair, like officially, booth rent December 1st, 2014. By January 1st, 2015, I was paying full booth rent. And my boss was really looking at me like, how the hell did this girl do it? Don't doubt me, boo. Don't. I liked where I was at, but the environment was very catty. I was like one of the younger stylists. There was a lot of older, like 40+ stylists. And I just felt like there was a disconnect between us, because they felt like, oh my God, like this bitch thinks she's the shit because she came in here and made all this money. But honestly, my mentality was, get money, you have kids, you have a husband, just get money to support yourself. And because I wasn't focused on what the fuck they were thinking about me and what they thought I could do, I was able to be successful and to keep myself level-headed, but to also remember where I came from and know that when I opened my salon, I wanted it to be complete opposite. I wanted it to be positive. I wanted it to be uplifting. I wanted it to be professional. I wanted it to be on time. We're a Black-owned business, so already people are looking at us like, oh, she's not going to be professional, or it's going to be some element missing. And I kid you not, I have one of the best salons. I can vouch for myself. You can read my reviews. I have over 700 reviews. We have one of the best salons in Delaware because we pride ourselves in going above and beyond when it comes to customer service. My salon's in Bear, Delaware. I have 3 kids. I was married. Wow. I just want to say that I got on YouTube 2 years ago, 2017. It was something new for me, but I just knew that I wanted to come out and create content for you guys. I wasn't sure what direction I wanted to go in. Yeah, I always did hair. Yeah, I like doing makeup. But there's so many people out there. Ooh, I'm sorry. There's so many people out there that I felt like, why me? Like, why people want to watch me? What makes me different? So I just started off with like how to build up your clientele, doing hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, messing up voiceovers, not doing description box, forgetting stuff. I kind of didn't take it seriously until last year. I kid you not, January 2019, I had like 1,200 subscribers. Around June, I think I hit like 3K. And then literally, I woke up in October, I was at like 10K. And I was just like, what the hell happened? But I didn't realize that last year I was posting and posting and posting when I could. Posted 51 videos last year, so I'm very proud of myself. I'm very excited to have you guys be a part of my journey. I'm not going to keep rambling because hubby's about to be home. I got to get ready to get dinner started. But I did want to come on here and let you guys know that I do appreciate you guys being a part of my journey. I will see you guys in the next video. I will put the hair deets down below. I actually just shot a video on this wig, but I'm going to probably post it tomorrow. I just wanted to come on here and be myself and not just be doing like wig tutorial, hair tutorial, wig tutorial. I wanted you guys to get to know the girl behind the camera and be a little bit more transparent with you guys. And I just wanted you guys to, I don't know, I'm trying to open up, I guess. Just thank you guys so much for just being able to open your minds to my content and just accept me for who I am and leave encouraging words and be supportive to the 75+ people we have on here. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. This means the world to me. Your girl is officially an influencer. I never, literally, like, I'm getting right here, I've never thought in a million freaking years that I would be a goddamn social media influencer, like, ever. Never, ever. My goal for this year was to hit 10K. My goal for last year was to hit 5K. You guys have blown me out of the water with the love and support, and I'm just speechless. Like, I really do appreciate it. I'm literally making a full income off of freaking YouTube. Like, I know they say it comes a dime, it doesn't, and it's hard work, but to me this has just been nothing but fun. I really enjoy creating content for you guys, and I hope you guys just are willing to just take this crazy ride with me for 2020, and we will see what it has in store. Thank you so much. And again, mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you guys so much for loving me, for commenting, for correcting me when I'm wrong, for helping your girl out. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Bye.